vast coal mine site, giant machines are entering their heaviest shift of the day. Before us is the Liebherr 996, one of the world's largest and most powerful excavators, making each shoveling stroke with astonishing precision. Each bucket of earth is lifted as if it were weightless, then dumped into the bed of a giant truck with a roaring engine. This is the Basho Movement Loading View, a display of power, speed, and perfect coordination between operator and steel monster in a giant coal mine. In the giant quarry, where earth and steel merge, the giant machines are starting their dance of power. This is Basho Movement Loading View, the ultimate performance between Liebherr 996 and Terex RH340E, two legends in the world of super excavators. With each stroke of the bucket, tons of coal are lifted weightlessly. Powerful hydraulics, absolute precision, and superior pulling force make the huge amount of work completed in a split second. This is a testament to the level of mechanization and maximum productivity in the current mining industry. Trucks line up to pick up their cargo. Every movement of the excavator is controlled with precision down to the second. The sound of steel clashing, the roar of engines, all combine to create an industrial soundtrack where men and machines operate in perfect harmony. With over 5.8 million views, the video is not just a moment on site, but also a testament to the operational excellence of monster coal mines, where each machine not only works, but also demonstrates the art of mechanical strength and precision.